Now, so you have got all your course content ready and structured and like get to the recording state. Now, I'm so happy for you that you get to this recording state now. And let's not get yourself overwhelmed in this state. Let's think about it simple, because lots of the course creators, they get really overwhelmed and get put off at this state. Actually, it's really simple. All you need is just like, if you have a smartphone, I'm sure that these days everyone have a smartphone, that if you have a smartphone, you could literally like use your smartphone to record for your course content as well. It depends on like what kind of course do you teach. If it's like outdoor, if it's like a yoga class, those kind of thing, or if it's like that you need to share the screen, then you need your laptop to do that. So when it comes to the technology, all you need is just like a PC, a decent camera. And what I would suggest is to get a really good microphone of it, because when it comes to your course content sharing, even though your video is not very good, but if the audio is good, then it's okay that your audience can stay here clearly what you speak, all those kind of things. So it's really important of it. It's like right now, as you guys can see, that I'm using a click-on microphone on here when I'm recording of it, so that the audio quality is good. I can use just my mobile phone one as well, but sometimes it can pick up some noise, or it's not the voice quality is not that good. So I use this kind of one. This is just a blue wire. I'll put the link in below that you can just get it, and which is a really good one and simple to use, and it's not that expensive as well. So these are for the mic bit. And then when it comes to the screen sharing, if it's like your teaching involved about that you need to share the screen, or you call it like a screencasting, then you will need some kind of software that I'm going to recommend. Is like you can use like Camtasia if you like have a budget of it. If not, it's okay. We can use like OBS, which is like a totally free one as well, that you can use. Or you can even like literally record it from your Facebook, within your Facebook inside, like create yourself a group, just add yourself to it, and then you can just go live within your own group. Nobody's gonna see it, just yourself inside the group. And now as you go live, you're gonna like put the record on, and that's another way that you can go around of it. Or another one that you can try is using the Zoom. As the same thing as well, you can schedule a meeting, add yourself to it, and just go live. Actually soon you don't even need to go live. You just like schedule a meeting, start a meeting, and put the record on, and that's another way that you can record. As you guys can see, that it's really simple. So that's how you record it. And if it's something like my way, the way that I'm talking right now is called like a talking head. Or in your screen sharing, you can also like call the camera to record yourself and also record the screen at the same time as well. So that is another way. So either use the OBS, which is the free one, or the Camtasia. It's not free, so that will need to be paid for it. Alternatively, I would suggest you can use the DaVinci Resolve, which is what I use as well, which is really good. That like cater from basic to professional level of like editing everything inside. So DaVinci Resolve is really good. And if you're a Mac user that you want to use your specific one, then you can use like a ScreenFlow, which I believe is not free as well for that one. So that will be for your recording bit. And the editing that you can use the DaVinci Resolve that I just suggested earlier, you can use that to edit for everything that all you need. For the mic bit that I cover, the one that I use is called a wire microphone of it. Another one that you can use if you want to like put the screen like PowerPoint slide, all those kind of things behind you, or like you want to go for like the kind of classroom teaching, those kind of style, that you can use a green screen behind you at the state of recording, and then afterward you can replace the green screen with the PowerPoint slide or whatever thing the background that you want to put it in it. So that's the screen share that you can use. The camera one that I would like to recommend is the one that I use is called a Logitech. Make sure the pixel that you have is about like 1080 or minimum 720 pixel of it. Then the recording of your video will be in a clear, sharp solution of it. So as you guys can see, it's not that difficult at all, and I hope that helped for you. So go ahead and start recording and editing for your course now then.